you know what day it is. It is Throwback Thursday. On Thursdays, I post videos that I have done previous. I've been doing YouTube videos, I think it's for 4 or 5 years now. So I am going to be bringing back some of my favorites on Thursdays. So I hope you stick around and check it out. Project. I bought this the sign from Dollar Tree that says family, and I actually removed this top part of it. What I want to do is I'm going to try this. I got this from Walmart, RUST-OLEUM stone texture finish, and I am going to try to spray it on here and the insides of here and on the outside. And then I'm going to replace this piece of paper in there. So I am going to get my spray paint area set up and I'm going to try to spray this. Alright, so I'm set up in my garage and I am going to try to start painting this. Alright, I have the family spray painted. I think that looks pretty neat. I'm going to try to get the sides a little bit. This stuff smells really weird, by the way. I probably should have waited for the front to dry before I did this, but I'm impatient. Alright, and then I'm going to try to spray paint this. Probably shouldn't set it down on those sides. Alright, and then I am going to spray the inside, and then I'm going to let it dry. Alright, I have it all sprayed, and it says it's going to be about 6 hours before I can handle it. So as soon as it dries, we're going to try to put it back together. My sign is all painted and dried. I don't know if you can see that detail in there, but that stone look, oh, I think it looks so good. So the next thing I want to do is I want to replace this paper in here, but what I was going to do is try to pull it out. I have a feeling this is kind of spray painted around the edges though. So I guess I kind of want to see if I can get this out of here. So I'm just going to release the paper from the spray paint. And I think I'm just going to try to just rip it out of here. I was going to leave it in, but I got so much residue on there. Okay, so looks like it goes quite a ways underneath the frame here. I originally tried to take the staples out of here, but it was just like impossible. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut out around the edges here and get this old paper out of here because I have different paper that I want to stick in there. Alright, so I'm just taking the X-Acto knife and I'm pushing kind of hard because I have to get through this thick spray paint plus the paper. So I'm just taking the X-Acto knife and cutting as close to the edge as I can. Alright, that looks pretty good. Then the next thing that I want to do is get my paper ready. And I chose this scrapbooking paper, which I think is going to look really cute in there. So I am going to get my paper cutter out here and measure this, and I'm going to get the piece cut out. Alright, I have my paper all cut out. And what I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to hot glue some of the edges in here. Now, I did cut this paper out the right size, but I don't think this is exactly a rectangle, so it doesn't exactly cover up the whole outside of it, but I don't think those little edges are gonna matter. And you know, with a lot of Dollar Tree stuff, it's not exactly straight. So I am just gonna stick some hot glue and glue this paper down. I'm actually gonna lift this up. just kind of hot glue down the sides here and stick it down. And just kind of push it along as I go. And get the ends here. All right, my paper is all in there. Oh, that looks so much nicer, I think. All right, so I wanted to show you this too on the back. I did spray it and then resprayed it and then set it back down on the thing and didn't realize I set it in wet spray paint. So I did get this on the back of it, but I'm not gonna worry about the back. So then the next thing that I wanna do is I wanna glue this back onto here. All right, then I am just going to hot glue this back on here. Ooh, try to get it where it's supposed to be. And try to make it as straight as possible. Okay, that's all hot glued then. And then I just have one more thing I'm gonna do. All right, then just one last touch. I have these gray flowers that I use from a different project, and I'm just gonna stick this up in the corner. I don't wanna overdo this one too much because I just think the stone finish on here just kinda is enough. But I just wanted one little extra touch on there. And you know what you could also do too, and I thought this would be really cute. You could also make this hang on the wall. You could use some jute going up and around to hang it, and maybe put some beads on there. That would look really cute too. But I just made this just to sit and not to get hung up. But there you go. I think it turned out really cute. Let me know what you think. I love comments. Thanks for watching, and I hope you subscribe, and take care. Bye.